better, but so quiet. Why am I so quiet?
Recognize me.
Hello? Is that better? Hello. All right, well, this is the best we got. We're gonna go to this. Okay. Welcome everyone into the stream. I hope that everyone is having a great day. We are going to sit down and work with some Unity and some Blender today. I'm going to start working on a VRChat world. It will be my first one, and hopefully it will finally push me into the trusted user section on VRChat. Been kind of working to get there for a while, and just haven't made it quite yet. So that is the goal. For all the people here who have not been around in a while, or you're new and you're just logging in for the first time, make sure to check out my About section where you can find me in many other places, as well as my Discord, my Twitter, my YouTube, and Spotify and Pinterest. Those are all the places you can find me there in the About section. Check me out. If you haven't already, go ahead and shoot that follow so you know whenever I get live, and I'm on. Hopefully that'll be a lot more now that things are calming down and getting back to a normal kind of living situation. With that, I think I'm going to go ahead and just load up into my. Let's see here. We're gonna jump into Unity. I'm gonna go ahead and load up Google so that I can get some no copyright going. All right, hopefully that's not too loud. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down quite a bit, just so you guys can hear it, and I'm gonna turn it down here. There we go. All right, y'all shouldn't be able to hear it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the negative 10 decibels. Hopefully that will, it's not helping. It's actually making it worse. I'm gonna mess with my mic here for a second. Trying to figure out why it's not, it's really not giving me. Okay, we're gonna bring up the decibels because I just don't know what to do now. It's hello Sheila, welcome in. Yeah, I'm not really sure why it's acting up there, but hopefully y'all can hear me okay. We're gonna go ahead and get going. It's it seems to be dropping frames. I wonder if that is because of the internet or because of me streaming in the background. Doesn't say anything, so hopefully it won't be too bad. I'm getting 60 frames, so we should be good. All right, so this is Unity. Oi, what's up, me boy? This is Unity. I probably will spend most of the time today in Unity. We're gonna make a simple level, just so I can load something up today, and then I'll probably jump over to VRChat to give it a test, and then maybe hang out with some friends afterwards. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and work on actually making a level. So first things first, we need to actually add something in here to stand on. So the first things first, we'll add in a cube. We'll bring it to 0.0.0. I'm going to, we're going to resize it and make it smaller. We'll go ahead and scale it up, let's say 40 by 40. This color is not going to do for me, so let's go ahead and change that. We're going to drop over here. We'll change the, oh, I need to put a material on it. So first we'll go ahead and we'll just place this material here. I gotta put a map on it. Needs a texture map. I don't have any textures. Let's just check that. Models, prefabs, materials. These are materials. I don't really need materials, but this will work. I don't have my polyomi in here. I need to figure out how to get that. I also need to drag a character in so that I have a reference size as well. But for now, let's go ahead and change the color on this, because that's gonna standard.
Please don't do that.
Here we go. Got a nice little tint. I have a purple thing, so we'll make it a little bit more purple. Like that. Alright. Now what we can do, I kind of like the idea of giving people the ability to see the sky, so I'm not going to take that away. But what I will do is I need to go over here. We need to make another cube. Oh boy, it's inside out. That's not what I need. Let's try that again. Create a 3D object, cube. We're gonna go ahead and we'll put it at 0, 0, 0. Or we'll put it at 0, 0, 40. Which should have actually put it at the end of one of these, but it didn't. Did I just put it in the sky? I did, I put it in the sky. This needs to be 0. And this needs to be 40. Which actually needs to be 20 because it put it to 0, so that we do that. Iris. I don't want to hear it. I know I'm a game collector. You're a game collector. Would I ever stop? You know, probably not. Probably not worth stopping anyways. Games are fun, man. That's why we buy them. Do that. We'll make it 40 like the other, so scale here. It's going to be 40. That's not it. We're going to go Z. Needs to be this, which needs to be 40. Then we need to add a material to that same item there. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing we did with the other one here. Like this. Then I just need to change it back to standard. And we kind of want to use the dipper on this. I kind of want the same color that we had there. Iris, no, lay down. All right, but we need to be a little transparent. So let's do this. We want to go to transparent, and we got to figure out how transparent we want to be. You're about to get put into the crate. Quit barking. Hey, now you can't see outside. How you like that, man? And now I'm gonna be extra bright on stream because of you. Hey, like them apples? Huh? Hey, like them apples? Brat? Ya brat? Ya brat? Alright. So, This is now transparent. We want this to actually be pretty darn transparent. So I need to figure out, that's not this smoothness, hold on, 0.5. Do I go to do the transparency?
We're gonna head towards the transparency. Where all the scabs were. Oh, there you go. That's why
Alright, hold on a second.
Nice. Let's go. This way.
Here we go. That's not what I wanted this to be. I need this to be opaque. I need this to be transparent. There we go. That's more like it. Now, how transparent do we want it?
I'm going left, CJ.
Okay. So now what we're gonna do, ooh, buddy. Now we're gonna Control D, which I believe is duplicate, and then I'm gonna pull this over here,
Nope.
like this, all the way over. There we go. And that needs to be at -20. -20. There we go.
Someone's jumping.
Now we need to Control D again. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Control D. We're gonna pull that, and then I have a third cube, which is the one I've
Let me know when you see
made here.
Oh.
Okay, so first things first, let's get in a habit of naming things. This is the floor.
What table?
Okay,
I hear you picking shit up.
this is wall 1.
Did you just die?
Wall
Is that you
2.
next to the train yard?
Wall
Did you just shoot at me?
3. Wall 4. Alright. So now we need to rotate this 90 degrees
That's not a raider.
on the y-axis. 90. We need to do the same thing to this guy. Go over here, 90, just like that.
Dead now.
Go over here. Okay, we need to do the grab tool.
So many fucking rounds the first
We're
time.
gonna put the position into, let's see here, we go 20. Then we need to put it at 0, 0.
Yeah, he's using his 6v13.
Then I'm gonna do the same thing with this one over here. And we're gonna put it at -20, 0, 0. There we go. Okay, so now you can see that we have a giant platform and there's literally almost nothing on it. Now what I need to do is I need to drag in a character. Hold on a second. Do I need to put the position at 1 on Y? No, 0. No. We got 0.5. That's too high. So 1. Really?
Not a raider, by the way. That was a player.
0.201. Okay. now we need to create. What is it? Let's see here. Create an empty. We're gonna place it at 0, 0, 0. We're gonna name this spawn point. And let's see. I want to make a mirror. So which way are we gonna spawn? Probably towards X. So you probably look that way, but I don't know how to test that properly. I'm not sure. Okay, so we named it spawn point. I need to add a component. VRC avatar pedestal, mirror, reflection, pickup, portal marker, scene descriptor,
That's fucking great right there.
Reference camera, reference angle, object behavior, respawn, dynamic materials, pipeline. I don't know. Spawn orientation, align player with spawn point. Reference camera, game object, reference camera. Respawn height, -100. Forbid user portals, Unity version, dynamic prefabs. I don't know how to do any of that. I think that's it though. Add a component. Let's double check though. Portal marker, scene descriptor. I don't know how well y'all can actually hear me. Or the music for that matter. Let's see here. Add a component. VRC station. UI shape. Test marker, SDK builder, custom action, event handler. URL input field. Okay, so this is the one we need for video player. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Let's pull in a character. See if I got one of those just laying around real quick. And then let's go back to the project. I'm gonna go over here. We're going to let's see here. Set live. Hello everyone, welcome in and thank you so much Sep for the raid. Hello all raiders, welcome in. In case you don't know me, I am a variety streamer and I play a ton of different things, mostly VR games lately, but today we're sitting down to be a little creative and we're making our first VRChat world. Hopefully it'll get me to the trusted user level and I can finally be purple as a user and not just my name. So welcome everyone. Hopefully I won't be too boring with a with my creativity. Really, we're just making a basic level so I can put it in the game for now. But the plan is to make a giant, humongous mansion where all my friends can hang out. Sept, what were you playing? Playing anything good? Watching anything good? Listening to anything good? And how are all you Raiders? Welcome in. And welcome in Crim Moonstone, or Moonstone, and Walking Meme. Welcome in, guys. See what I can find here. I know I have some pre-made models already. Here we go, VRChat models. What do we got? What do we got? Thank you so much, Moonstone, for the follow. I absolutely appreciate that. Why is it not appearing here, though? It literally isn't showing in my stream that you followed me. Did my stuff just break? Okay, hold on, let me see. Nope, didn't show up. Thank you so much. I don't know why it's I don't know why it's not showing up, but thank you, and welcome in. I'm glad you're having a good time. Let's get back to I need to find a model that I have laying around. This is probably the best one I've got here.
Sounds about right.
Oh no. Oh no.
Sounds about right though, because
I literally think I just deleted everything I just made.
it doesn't matter. Like, after playing with Ice Truck and
No.
I refuse to play with other people because they're
Okay, well.
really good at the game. They know what they're doing. Meanwhile, there's always brain dead motherfuckers.
Well, oops. Okay, so I just need to bring the FBX in. Maybe that'll be my better option here. Oh boy. It's not liking that, guys. Well, I think I broke Unity. Doesn't seem hard to do, though. Doesn't seem too hard to do. Oh, God. Really? Really, I have to pull out the... Oh! There it went. There it went. Alright, loading that back up. Nope, that was the wrong one. Damn. Okay, here we go. So we got the model. It finally loaded in. That's good. Okay. Now, I have to start over again. Although, open a scene. I didn't save it, so I don't have one. Alright, let's try this again. Boop. Didn't like that. Alrighty then. Gonna do an object, and we'll make a cube then, cause what is happening right now? Hey, that's bright.
Welcome to Tarkov. I saw the kills.
There we go. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Okay. We'll make it 0.5. Make it 0.2. That works. And then we're gonna put it back to, we'll do 20 this time. I think that's probably more than enough. All right, we need to put.
Sounds about right.
Did I get to input? I don't think I did. Here, hold on a second, guys. I want to see if I can't add my poly.
That sounds about right.
Here we go. I want this. Okay. I'm actually really glad that I brought that in. Hi, dog. Okay, so this is the size of a normal avatar. So I actually think that I want to make this bigger. So let's do we'll make it 30 by 30. And I think that's better. That's actually a lot better. This gives a lot of room for people to kind of do their own thing. So it's got her looking in the direction that she's probably going to actually be looking, since that's usually how Unity works. So this over here is where the front is. It's where I should put my mirror. So let's go ahead and we'll do this. Do you have to go potty? Do you have to go outside? Do you have to go outside? You were whining. I heard you whining. You gotta go potty? Yeah, you gotta go potty. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go take her to the bathroom real quick. Enjoy the music, and we'll be right back.
Dude, their spawn chance is so random, I don't even know.
Okay, we're back. So, we're going to change the shader here to the Poyomi, to the Toon, Advanced. We're going to do Opaque. And then we're going to go to my colors. I'm going to make it purple like I had it before. That was a little too purpley, huh? I like this dark.
VRS is trash.
This dark. Ooh. Yeah. Alright. So, we're going to do that. Now, I'm going to X out of this, and we will go and create a new 3D object, which I had done previously. It will go... nope, I need to go to 0. 15. And bring it to 0.5. And then we need to shrink it here. And then we need to make it the length of X, because that's what goes this way. So we need to make it 30. Then we're going to go ahead and put this material on it. But instead of this, I want the transparent. Oh, that's not it. I want the actual transparent. Then we're going to go ahead and open up the transparency. But first we're going to get up here. We're going to make sure that it's the right color that we want, because that's what we need to do. Oh, it's got the same material, so I need to actually change that. So this needs to be this, but this material needs to be this. There we go, that'll work. And since it's already got the Poyomi on it, no, it doesn't actually. We need to do this, transparent. Then we need to open this up. Reflections. Go here. We go like this. We have dark tint. And this is actually how transparent it is right here. How well you can see through it. Okay, so still want to be able to see it like that. Okay, nice. Okay, so now what we want to do is we have to copy this again. So Control D for duplicate. We need to click on this button and we'll move it this way. At -15. Then we need to duplicate this again. Control D, pull it out, and we'll Control D that, and we'll pull that out. We need to rotate both of these by 90 degrees on the Y, so we do 90 here. There we go. Click on this one. We do the rotation on Y there for 90. Then we need to change it back to our movement, and we're going to do this. And then this needs to go to 0 here. And this one needs to go to 0 as well. And then one of these is going to have to go to 15, and the other one will have to go to negative 15, negative 15. All right. We technically have a world here built, ready to go. But what I think I want to do actually is I want to copy this floor. We're gonna control D. We're gonna drag it up like this. And I think I'm gonna mess with it a little bit and make it look kind of nice, while I have the time and the ability to do so. So we're gonna change the material to that. I want it to be the same as what we have down here on this to make it look like glass. I like that. And then I think I'm gonna actually add. I'm gonna add some cubes in. Okay. We're gonna put it at 0 tab 0 tab 0. I'm gonna drag it out. Actually, we need to make it 15. 15. Let's try this. I don't know where it's gonna put. It's gonna put it all the way over there. What we really need to do is we kind of need to pull this inside. So we're gonna pull it inside of the glass. We're gonna use this as a we're gonna use it as a pillar to hold up this top. I'm not sure what color we'll make these, but if I go over here, we'll do the scale. It needs to go up like so. We'll go ahead and we'll raise it. I'm not 100% on the height, so we'll just kind of make it as close as we can. Then we'll shrink it back down. Actually, I probably need to bring it down just a little bit more. No, we're gonna put it right about there is right. We'll shrink it back down here. That looks about right. Okay, now we're gonna copy this. Control D, we're going to move tool it. So right about there. And then we're gonna control D. We'll move, oop. I hit shift to D and not control D. Control D. We'll put that back there, and we'll control D again, and we'll move this over here to there. All right. How do we like that? This needs to come forward a bit. This is actually pretty close for eyeballing it. Put that there. Do this, you need to come back a hair. Like so. Okay, now let's double check this, make sure it's at a good reasonable distance there. And we need to scoot you back a hair. There we go. Come forward a bit. And we'll scoot you over here, just like that. Yep. Alright. Now we want to put a new material on this. Just make it the same as... Probably not. I think I want it gray. Gray looks good. Might darken it up a hair, so they all have the same thing here. I will do this. We can make it Poyomi real quick. Go to my tune, advanced, opaque. There we go. Now what we can do with this is we can darken it up a hair. Let's bring it down just a little bit. There we go. Do we like that, or do we want it a little bit more dark? Maybe a little bit more dark. Let's try this. Yeah, all right. Okay. So, real quick before I do much else, I want to go ahead and change the skybox. I don't particularly care for the basic Unity skybox. It's not great. So what we are going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to go up here to the asset store. I'm going to open that up real quick. We're gonna scoot some stuff out of the way real quick. Now we're gonna type in skybox, and then we're gonna go to pricing, and there should be a free assets button. Here we go, free assets. What do I want? I want my world to be kind of chill, so we should look for something that's kind of nice and simple. People really like the it's a shader. Need an actual skybox. Skybox series free. Here we go. Quick look. Let's try this. What do we got? We got pretty skies. We've got stormy. Ooh, lightning. That's pretty cool. Space. Clouds. Water. And Uranus. That's pretty. Yeah, okay, so we'll just do this. So we'll download this. Apply. We'll let that download real quick. Hopefully it'll just put it right into my assets folder here. Yep, decrypting package. And let's double check here. Go to assets. Import. I think I just did that though. Oh, packages, they're down here. Okay, my bad. Import.
Yeah, it's time though. I mean, it's been done before. That's great.
Sorry for the lag, guys. It's just because I'm downloading. Alright, well, while that's doing that, I guess I could close out Blender. I don't know that I'm going to use it today. So we'll go ahead and we'll exit out of that. Maybe that'll help me. That'll help me with this a little bit. Also, I have running that doesn't need to be running. This.
BT.
Yes, I know. I have frame drops. You don't have to tell me.
Oh, of course. I mean, BT's not bad.
It would seem that you can hear my music pretty well through the mic. That's kind of funny. I'm gonna turn up the music a little bit so that way. This is taking a lot longer than I expected to, but they are 4K, so. Cody, what you want to do for dinner? Unity versions 5.50 or higher. Oh. Release date 2018. It'll probably work. It'll probably work. It'll probably work. Only halfway done, guys. You'd really think that 259 megabytes wouldn't be that much. This is
Get them off scabs. That's the most common round to spawn with.
this is literally why I hate Unity.
Because I mean, all it is tracer rounds. There.
Unity is hot garbage.
No. Which PS isn't bad. But it's also a shitload more expensive. Sam. Why do you leave it on? Okay, that's good. I'm doing some bullshit right now. I'm playing Warfare and I'm in this integration and I've been shot so many times and my tank is still alive. With full crew. Like, I've been shot in the back, I've been shot in the sides. I'm like, how the fuck am I still alive? And I'm going. BP's expensive. That's why I said PS isn't bad. Use PS, just buy some crap and they're cheap.
Oh look, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna go back to our scene. We'll check out these sky boxes we got. Kind of liking the cosmic-y one here. This is pretty.
FMJ isn't bad if they're lightly armored.
Kind of pretty, guys. It's also dark. Let's try this one. It's also really dark, but it's kind of nice.
You said you wanted to learn for
Huh, that's neat. That's a neat effect.
Same.
I think I have to go with the cosmic E one. This is really pretty. All right, so now we need to build a mirror over here. We need to build a mirror. Wait, can I Poyomi this? I don't even know how. How would you do this? I was gonna say, yeah, okay. I can turn it. Oh my god.
Completely up to you. Can I help you over there?
Yeah, what you make? What we making for dinner?
Oh, I don't know. I got pasta.
That sounds good.
Because I bought traditional sauce for that.
You bought what?
Traditional sauce.
Oh, okay, cool.
Because you said you don't like
I don't mind. I don't mind the meat sauce.
Well, you said you don't like the sauce that has the meat in it already.
I just don't like meat in my sauce. Like a lot, you know, like
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Where
There,
there's
but
more,
at the same time,
where there's more meat than there is fucking noodles.
sauce. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying there, but you know that's not what you said.
Okay. So we have a pretty basic world here. I think I'm gonna make the top end just a little bit more transparent than the rest because I want people to be able to see that sky. There we go. I like that. Yeah, that's nice. All right. I think I want this to be a bit darker, so we'll go a little bit darker on this. We'll still leave it a little purple here. There we go. All right, so now now I need to select all of these things, okay? What we're gonna do is there's a way, I know there's a way. Hold on, sorry.
Yes.
There's gotta be a way to parent things. I just don't know how. Scroll bar, slider, toggle. Okay, well, let's see here. We're gonna put our mirror in. What we need to, I think what we need to do is we need to all prefabs. We need to mirror. Okay, so here we go. Here's our mirror. Right. Let's make it, let's do the scale on this, and I want it to be 4. Ooh, no, okay, so we need that to be 15, right? And then we need it to be 4 in height, and 2 in the Z. No, I mean, it's a plane. I don't really know how you do a 2 in the Z. What would this be if you made it 0? Exactly, that's exactly what I was thinking there.
Did you buy the 762 or the freaking?
Now we need to go to 0. No, we need to go to 0.5. Nope. 2. It's probably closer.
It's also a full magazine.
We need to put it at 0 on position on X. And we'll put it at 15. No, that's too far. Okay, so we need to bring it in. Because we don't want it outside of our... Okay. So now we have that. And we have to... I'm not 100% sure. I think, okay, first off, let's make it look pretty. Okay, then we can worry about how we're actually supposed to turn it on and off. So, let's make it the cube. And what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and duplicate another one of these. Duplicate it over. Just like this. Okay, but it doesn't need to be that thick. In fact, it needs to be not that thick. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go to our scaling. We're gonna thin it out a bit. We're also gonna shorten it up a bit. And we'll bring it down. So we want it to be a height of 4.5. Oh, no, that's not what I want. I need it to be tall, so we need to be 4.5 here. can move it up. Let's get this back here, like so. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now we're going to control D that. We're going to bring it to the other side of the mirror. Like this. And then we're going to control D one more time. I'm going to bring it to the center here at 0 on X. Then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. That was the wrong 90 degrees. 0, then we need to do on the x-axis 90 degrees? Nope. Well, Z. Really? Okay. Okay. 90 degrees on the x. Now we need to scale it up. We need to scoot you over about like that. Now we can lift you up like this. Too much. Alright, so I need to actually shrink it just a little bit. One more little tiny drop. Okay. Doop. Too high. Bring it down one. Too far. Okay. Let's check that. Let's see how close that is. It needs to come up just a hair. Just a hair. Let's make it 4. No, it's too high. We need to go 3.9, 9, 9, 7, 9, 6, 9, 5, 3. It's good enough. Good enough where no one will know. Except for you guys. The people at home watching. Okay. So now we have our mirror. And it's kind of needs to come down like a fraction of a... Nope. Okay. So now I think what I want to do is I can bring this down. You know, just enough, right, to do that number right there.
Christmas gift.
Okay. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Control D. Bring it down. I hear you.
Do you?
Yes, I hear you.
Well, you're not doing something.
What am I not doing?
Your cat.
Oh, God. No one's been talking this whole time.
But people have been watching.
Okay, we're back. I've hydrated.
Thank you. Looking out for you. What you hydrate with? Pink lemonade. Your choice. I'm wondering what's taking you so long.
Sorry.
Not you.
Okay.
You will need a memory.
Add a component.
I'm waiting on you. That's what
Let's see.
No GSSH.
Alright guys, kind of from here I'm at a standstill. I don't particularly know what to do.
I already have a group.
Um
I'm waiting for you to Alright, I saw the SPD.
What's up, Joel? What you up to?
Wait, Joe is in chat? Oh, it is Joe!
I am just building a map for VRChat, my first one. I'm giving it a shot here. Making a vein room because that's what 90% of people in VRChat do. But what I need is a button. That's visual damage, mirror, camera.
Just realized you can see the back of my head when you're streaming the entire time.
Yeah, probably.
No, I can't. I'm looking right at it.
I like the shiny button. Let's try that. I need to turn it 90 degrees. Woo. On the y-axis, 90. You're gonna have to get quite a bit smaller, bud.
I am in this one. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Yeah, I'm around, but you have an SPD and I better not lose out.
Not a lot? You're not up to a whole lot? I am not up to a whole lot myself, to be honest. It's kind of nice. When you want to come over and play some Warhammer Fantasy.
I just don't know what to do.
Okay. I have to watch a video on YouTube about how I'm supposed to do this. So, off to the interwebs I go.
Makes sense. he's in tower. Getting shot at. No, I'm getting. Run the opposite way.
Has this been low the whole time? Wow.
I got 2.
Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. Music's still kind of low, so that's fine. This guy is showing me how to make buttons work. Udon behavior script. Hold on, what did you just pull in there?
That's me! I didn't know you were in here. No. I'm here looking for like a bandage. Oh, you're still in the tower.
Cody exited out of that shit quick. I said you exited out of that so quick.
I was dead. I was a player.
Oh, there's no way I'm gonna get any of this done without making it fucking without reading here. Okay, we're gonna pause this. I'm gonna load up this video. I gotta hear what he's saying.
Things have changed in Udon since the time I made my first tutorial, which is a simple game object toggle. And I've been noticing in the comments that a few people have been having some difficulties since the updates. So I'm going to revisit that tutorial to show off how to...
Actually, there might be a. Actually, now that I think about it, there's a README in the assets. Dude. The mirror system is a group of a few assets set up easily toggle a VRC mirror on and off. It has 2 objects, mirror canvas, which is a world space UI canvas with a UI toggle, the VRC mirror prefab, which I have right here. This program is called Toggle Game Object.
I'm already ready for a PMC run.
And it can be used to turn on any game object on and off.
No idea.
It has a public variable for a target game object. This is set to the VRC mirror, for example, but you can easily drop another game object in its place. This program received a custom event called toggle. Oh boy, you're telling me all kinds of stuff I don't know how to do. Hold on.
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
Event handler. Is that what I needed? Toggle. Oh, that's the hierarchy. That's everything in the scene. I don't need that. I need search. Assets. Udon. Programs. Abstract? Nope. Reference, sterilization mapper, Udon, behavior, Udon, editor. Resources, program sources, Udon assets. Nope. I just don't know where to find this stuff. VRC. The final important detail is that the mirror canvas object has a VRC UI shape component attached. This tells VRC to enable interaction with UI items on the canvas. The mirror system. Assets. Editor. Graph module program resources.
Most likely. I don't care for MIGs that much.
Mirror system. Player trigger. Okay, I have a VRC mirror here, right? Which is that.
I will drop your stuff.
We can actually delete this. I don't need purple in here anymore. VRC button A shine. I want to change this. We'll change the. Actually, we'll delete the albedo map. Now we'll change the color to something more entertaining for my purposes. Let's make it a teal blue.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I like that. Teal blue button, and we'll change it to the polyomi tune, advanced, opaque. That makes that button really bright. All right. Then we need to go here. Add a component. Okay, so let's do this. It has two objects, mirror canvas, which is a world space UI canvas, which we have here. With a UI toggle, but I don't see UI toggle in here. So is that something that's just on?
Down forever. I'm already warmed up.
Box collider.
I have no idea where that's at.
UI toggle. So VR.
I just gotta get the doors underground. Aquarius is on customs.
UI shape? It already has one, so I don't need to do that. Oof, big oof. UI toggle and a mirror prefab. No special changes
I
made.
just gotta get the bunker.
Take a look at the udon behavior on the mirror system object.
Said you weren't.
I don't even see mirror system. This is not. I don't know where to find this.
We do it in the new system for the new udon node graph. So to start us out, we'll go up to VRChat SDK up here, udon graph, and it'll pull up this window for
Oh, the
us.
Mass Effect.
Now, this is just the launch window. We won't need to go anywhere from here, but there are 4 settings right
okay, here we
that
go.
we want to check out.
Everybody has more texture.
If you want to have your nodes snap to the grid, we can change the values here. I recommend 20 so it snaps directly onto the grids. Then these two you just always want on. Focus search on selected node and search on noodle drop. I personally use a neon style. It's all preference, but these are my settings for this. If we come back here, I have a folder for scripts. I'll just right click, create, VRChat, Udon, and Udon graph program asset. So we'll click that, and I will call this object toggle, because we'll be able to toggle any object, not just the mirror itself. I have a button over here for mirror toggle. I have one called mirror toggle sharp as well, and we'll be doing a Udon sharp script for that, which will be the same as the old tutorial, but just we'll keep everything covered in the new one. So we'll do add component Udon behavior, hit enter, and we can drag our program asset right over here. Now we want to open Udon graph, and I'll open it in the window earlier, but here we got a nice big graph space that we can work with. So the first thing that we want to do is
Hold on, I missed some.
to open Udon graph, and I'll open it in the window earlier, but here we got our nice big
Hold on. Oh, dude, speaking of that, I got Curse City. I saw that picture, actually. Oh, about that, Joel. What's up with Brit on Discord? It gave me about 1,000 points of Death Army. My army? Really? No idea why. It just sounded like she was annoyed or something when you showed up. Oh, when you showed Curse City. Oh, I don't know. I also didn't talk to her for like 10 days straight. Oh, well. That might be why she's annoyed. Oh. That'll do it.
graph space that we can work with. So and we can drag our program asset right over here. Now we want
Right
to
over here for what? What do you have over there that I don't have?
I'm waiting for
The
players.
mirror?
called mirror toggle sharp as well, and we'll be doing a Udon sharp
Or is it the
script for
button?
that, which will be the same as the old tutorial, but just we'll keep everything covered in the new one. So we'll do add component Udon behavior, hit enter, and we can drag our program asset right over here. Now we want to open Udon graph, and I'll open it in the window earlier, but here we got our nice big graph space that we can work with. So the first thing that we want to do is have this object right here, our button, be able to interact with our mirror right here. So if we open this back up, we want to have a public game object variable. Now this is just a way for the button to store information about another object. So we'll do plus to add a variable and type game and do game object right here. Don't do the brackets, as that's a different type of variable that we'll cover in a later video. But right now we just want plain game object. Now you see it automatically calls it new variable, and that's not very intuitive, so we will call this target. That is the object that this script will be targeting with its effect. Now one thing that we need to do though is hit the drop down right here and press public. This is because we want to be able to access this variable from outside of just where we're coding right here. So if we hit public and go over to this button and hit compile, you'll see over here we have a new slot right here where we can put an object for our target variable. And we'll just do that and grab the VRC mirror object and put it into toggle. Now everything that happens in Udon or scripting in general typically happens inside of an event. And the event that we specifically want for when someone clicks a button is interact. So we can just hit space anywhere, and that'll open up a quick search. And we can either go through events and hit interact here, or we can just type interact and we can select the first one right here, event
On
interact.
event
Now,
interact,
what
you
we
can
want to
pull it
do
off.
is turn our target object off if it's on, and back on again if it's off. So we will grab our target variable right here. We'll just click the word and drag it out, and we have a
Lots
reference
on
to
it.
that target. And we'll drag out from
Oh,
here,
he
and
needs a
since
D2
we've
extract,
enabled
so-
search from noodle drop, it will automatically open up a window for us
So
to search
interact
for anything
with
that this
Oh,
object can
it's
interact
not
with
VRC.
on this
trust me.
specific node right here. So we
Yes,
want
I know exactly.
set
Oh.
active.
Yo.
We want to set if it's active or not. And since this will be happening inside
Fuck
the
inside,
interact
get the fuck
event,
inside, get the fuck
we'll
inside.
just plug this in. We have our out right here, and we have our in here.
Go,
So
go
as
down,
soon
go,
as
go, go, go.
interact happens, it will go to this node, and we can do stuff that happens there. However, this node automatically comes with a checkbox that tells it whether we
Be
want
right
it to
into
be
the
on
building.
or off at any time. So what we want to do is set it to the opposite of what
Got
our
it.
target
Fine.
object
Part one
is
done.
by default. So we need to drag out from here and do another search.
Oh
and
god,
do
lag spike.
Get active self. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm back now.
This will tell us whether or not the object is active. There's two different options here. There's the
Yeah, no,
option
I active power.
self or active in hierarchy. And I'll show you quick what the difference is. So if I create a
Someone's
game
running.
object and I put a cube inside of it, we go to our scene, we can toggle it on and off from this check mark right here. However, we can also toggle it on and off from clicking the game object that is the parent to it and toggling this on and off. Active self would be this check mark, and active in hierarchy
Did you die?
means if this is off, this object will be
We're
considered
in the bunker.
off as well, even if this cube object right here is still enabled. So right now, this value gets true if it's active, and false if it's inactive. And that's not useful for us at the moment,
Yeah, he's
because
very
if we
clear,
just plug
clear,
this
clear,
in,
clear.
it'll be, oh, the object is on, we
Because
will
this
turn
was
it on.
the second sub
And
part.
that
You need
doesn't
to
make sense.
make it backwards, so it would have to be negative,
Click away.
right?
Oop. Sometimes you get some visual bugs.
Do you want an
This will
integer?
reload and
Yeah,
everything
I
is
know where you're
So
at.
we want to do a
Wait for Dem to come in here.
of this value.
No, Dem, I just went into the.
To do that, we have to search a fancy
Come on,
name,
come on, come on.
unary negation. Here we go.
We're gonna make a little bit of noise here.
All this does is take a true value and make it false, or take a false value and make it true.
Which makes this value.
Did you hear that?
Put this right here, and we'll take this inverted
Okay.
value and set it
Oh,
right
yeah,
here
he's-
in there.
Oh no, no,
And
no,
hit
just.
compile.
You
and
should have just stayed in the big hallway, honestly. 'Cause
So we'll boot up the game and make sure everything works. We have the VRC mirror put into our target variable right here, and everything's compiled. So let's check it out.
I'm in the big room.
We're
Big
here
hall,
in
big
game,
hall,
and we
big
have
hall,
our
big hall.
button over here. We can click on it, and
You should
the
see my
mirror turns
flashlight.
off and on again when we click. Perfect. Let's head
That's
back into
where
the
I'm trying to
editor
do
and
this.
show off how to do it in Udon Sharp. Just as a quick note, you can only use interact as an event on objects that have a collider on them directly. Children of this object that have colliders on it don't count, unfortunately. Let's get to the U-Sharp script. So we'll go back into our project here. We'll right click, hit create, and U-Sharp. This is all after I've imported the Udon Sharp asset, which I will have linked in the description. So we will do
Okay, well, that's enough of that. Hopefully that did it. Okay, you're gonna nope, you're good. We're gonna go ahead and end the art stream, and we're gonna go ahead and upload this and give this a shot. I do need to add in. I need to create a empty, and we're gonna name it spawn. And then I think we need to go over here. Need to type in VRC. Scene descriptor. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. button. I don't know what I need to do with that. Let's see
I'm
here.
in the actual room where we need to go. So.
Default, reference camera, game object.
Yeah, I'm by myself over here.
I didn't want the camera. I need this. Click this button. Main camera. And we can actually raise this.
Yeah, you should see my flashlight.
And we'll aim it. Aim it a little bit.
No, you're good. I just hate this next part because campers.
VRChat uses specific layers for collision. In order for testing and development to run smoothly, it is necessary to configure your project's collision matrix to match that of VRC. You must first match your layers for VRC to proceed. Set up layers for VRChat. This adds all VRChat layers per. Okay, do it. Set collision matrix, do it. Autofix. Generate lighting. Save scene. Vein. Room. Generate lighting. Build and test. You must add at least one spawn to spawns in your VRC. Okay, so we need to go back over here. And we need to hit the spawn button. Spawns. One, enter. And we need to make it this button. And then we can do that. Okay, now we're gonna go back over to here. Build and test.
Okay, I'm off today's video. I'm off tomorrow. And now you have the exit. Now you'll know. Yeah. Well, no, the bigger pain in the ass one is getting each door. The one after this one.
Huh, it didn't take me there. Okay, hold on. Worlds. I don't think that worked. Let's try that again. Let's let it build and try it again. It looks like it brought me back home. Like it loaded it, but then it brought me back home. Okay, let's try if I can. Let's see if I can find it. couple of these. I didn't see what was said about Brit. I had to restart my computer. Oh, we were just teasing you. I wonder if Melon Loader is stopping me from being able to actually test my world. You may build and test your VRChat client. You won't be able to invite anyone from online, but you can launch multiple of your own clients. I think we'll just go ahead and build it. Go ahead and give this a shot. I'll be switching to VRChat here in a minute. I gotta test this world, but I'm not sure how long I'll stream after that. Cody, he said that the Cursed City gave him like 1,000 points of Death Army.
I see that.
And it gave like 8 heroes for City of Sigmar. Default reference camera. What am I doing wrong here?
They take turns. Well, I'm using Black Rocks. People tend to take Black Rocks.
They'd be pretty crazy on their own. That sounds pretty cool. Okay, so if I set this to 0, then it should be... No, I set it to 1 just in case. 1. So... what's it not doing then? Last built VRChat scene could not be found. Please test dash compile. Okay. Game. Play. So I think I need to actually remove this from the spawn. So I need to remove this component. I need to put it here. And click here. I need to click 1 and change the transform to the spawn. And then I think we can try again. So let's go back over here. Whatever. I'm hungry now, but if you're doing shit, I'm not worried about it.
Be right back. I'm gonna start making dinner.
Compile. Where the fuck is the compile scene button?
Oh, yeah.
Y'all being cute and shit. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate it. Up to 4 months, man. 4 months is good stuff. Yeah, you have Mark beat. I did, yes.
All that tea up there is green tea.
No, there's some regular tea up there.
I looked for the package, all I saw was green.
The black packets are black tea, or technically brown tea. I don't. Don't worry, I know I'm not as good a friend as Cody.
What?
He said, "Don't worry, I know I'm not as good a friend as Cody. It's okay."
Here, he's not.
Well, he had a place to go. But anyways, god damn.
Come on, you know I like VRChat.
How do I? Okay. I don't actually know how to do this. It's kind of bullshit. How do I compile a scene in Unity? Fucking build settings, but I don't see the build settings. Where's the project window? The project window. Okay, here we go. Console. Editor. Collapse. Clear. Create, show an editor, open scene, additive, import new asset, import package, export, reimport. The scenes in build pane displays a list of scenes from your project that Unity includes in the build. If you can't see any scenes in this pane, select add open scenes.
For some reason, I can't do
How to compile a scene.
VoiceMod is the #1 real-time.
Coming up a lot in the VRChat Discord people have been having. If you're a VRChat world creator, we've probably
No,
had
it's not what
this
you want. You
error
want
at some
the
point, so I'm
SD
going to show you how you can
format.
get rid of the error. If you have the error after you click build and test, you want to go check your console for
he's
errors,
doing for
and
2.
lo and behold,
Or for 3.
we have an error here for an asset from the All Sky Free pack on the Unity store here. What we need
For some
to
reason
do
that does
is
not show up on
locate
mine.
that script there
The SD suppressor.
in our project. Go to All Sky Free, and there's
Oh,
the culprit right there. You
No, I
just
don't.
delete that, you would be
Because
good to go.
I've never seen it.
Don't quote me on that. If
Because
it happens again,
I don't have Peacekeeper level 2 yet.
you would locate another.
Okay, let's see here. Asset store. That's not what I want. I want. It will not let me play this. That's crazy. Let's see here. Well, don't drink it so fast and you won't like half vomit it. Silly dog. It won't even.
Yeah,
What?
Sells the MP5 SD silencer. And It's Peacekeeper level 2.
Maybe it's the sky. Okay, so let's try getting rid of this guy real quick.
Tell him to fuck off.
Let's see here. Directional light. Spawn cube.
Do I need the fake white beard for anything? Well, stop being on your knees then.
Skybox.
That's not believable at all.
Where is my skybox? It literally won't let me do anything with my skybox. I don't understand. It's probably what the problem is here. A compiler errors have been fixed before you can.
Oh, I'm still not boiling.
Where the fuck are the errors? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Require non-static field. Okay, so is that you? Oh shit. Oh shit. Standard. Okay. Hello? That's fine. What is it on though? Is it this? No, it's not this. So I changed this. I don't understand. VRC interface. Well then, what is it on? Cause there's like, I don't have it on the fucking skybox, do I? Skybox. my fucking okay. This is irritating. Okay, hold on. Let's see here. There should be the Skybox Udon. I don't know anymore. Don't know. There's nothing here that's static though. I don't think any of these things are static. Mesh renderer, there's collider, which means that it's not a static mesh. So I've done something wrong somewhere. All I can really think of is if I click on this, I do this and I change it to standard. Does it change them all to standard? Yep, change them all to standard. Okay, so now if I do this, let's put it to standard, change this, put it to standard, and then we can click on these, and they were already standard, and the button is also standard. So let's try that. Not working. It's not working. There's nothing else with Polyomi on it, unless it's because I deleted the character. This is bullshit.
Hostile one going in. That's my cock. You're stepping on. Can you stop stepping on my cock? Thank you.
Why is it not telling me what it is though? Error building player because scripts have compile errors in editor. All compiler errors have to be fixed.
Buddy.
I don't know what to do.
Iris, I need you to get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Other side. Go to the other side. Iris.
Okay, so all I can think of is to
Good girl. Kick me in the nuts.
I don't want to have to go fucking build all this again. Fuck.
Copy paste.
It doesn't work like that.
Are you really eating Pringles without making pasta?
Yes.
I'll throw some boiling water at you.
Don't do that. That would hurt.
I'd probably hit Iris more than you. Don't worry. Probably won't hurt.
I don't want to do this. All right, well, I guess I just lost everything there, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I'll figure this more out probably tomorrow or another day. That's a real shame. I did a lot of work there, and I just kind of lost it all. Really curious why it's not.
Somebody touching my spaghetti. Why do you sit like that, Iris? And you stare at me. Yes. You know you do hurt. Right? You just pop me in the chest like that. Hurt.
An object reference is required for the non-static field method or property base configuration action.
Don't be calm now.
No, because as soon as you get up, she's gonna flip the fuck out.
Don't be calm.
I don't know what's happening this weekend either, so.
I said calm, baby. Calm. You put holes in my shirt, you fucking bitch.
It looks like you are calling a non-static member a property or method specifically set text box from static method. Specifically, you'll need either make called static, so create an instance of I don't know what any of this fucking means. It's all code. It's not gonna help me. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, that guy said that's not what I need this. I need this to be like there we go, that'll work. Alright, so let's pull this console up. And what we need to do is we need to find my polygon. Here we go. We need to do this. Click on this. Try editor. Editor. And VRC interface CS. Editor does not exist in current context. Control Z. Control Z. Fuck. Now I've ruined it. So pretty much I just need to get rid of the polyomy because that's what's causing all of this. So we need to we'll just delete this whole folder. Which changes all of this. Standard. And we'll do this as standard. And I don't know why you're acting silly, but let's try this. Play. All right. So I'll need to re-import. I'll need to re-import the polyomy. So what we can do is we'll do assets. We'll import a package, custom package. Okay, we need to go here, here. VRChat models, polyomy. I guess it's technically a shader. Oh, nice. Maybe it's just a new asset. Let's try that. VRChat models. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Assets. Package. It's JSON file. Theory. I really just have to drag it all in and try again. But for now, I think this is fine. I'll try and fix it later. I do want to fix this though because it's not to make it a bit more. Oh, we need to make it transparent. Transparent. Boop. Okay, too transparent. Now we go back here. Let me do this. Okay. Now we need to change the direction of the sun.
I'm back.
No, that's probably fine. Okay. Now we can go to, where's my VRChat console?
I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, well, yeah, I just made dinner real quick.
Control panel?
Huh?
Hello? That was weird.
No, I just made pasta real quick.
Build and test. That should fix everything. I almost quit there, guys. Did y'all see that? Oh shit. Does my button work? Nope, my button doesn't work. But my level works. Cody, look at it.
There you go.
Pretty cool, right? For, you know, a basic little thing. Got a big ass fucking mirror.
No idea.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and build and publish. I'll probably keep working on this slowly and surely. I gotta make sure to get that polyomi working. I don't know why that wasn't working. I might have to try a different shader package. Maybe I'll just find something on actual Unity store. Go ahead and exit out of that. What game? Eh. I'm gonna be that guy. The last shooter game I really enjoyed was Halo 3.
Which is fair.
assembly assets udon external VRC udon compiler will not be loaded due to errors, reference errors. Due to errors, null reference exception, object reference not set to an instance of an object. Runtime world creation start.
Yes. No. Sniper or not see. Okay, sniper leaves out more. Something wrong with your Discord?
What you mean?
Oh, the outro. This is the outro spins.
Why is it?
I have no idea.
Close your eyes, don't look. Okay.
Yes.
I think I have to make it interactable. It says that due to an outage, that server's out. That's weird. All the other ones working though.
No, they are.
Okay, so we'll delete the button. We'll delete the button for now. I don't really need it. Well, the world's kind of fine as it is for now. Get any good cards? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't drop my cards.
Oh, is she offline right now?
Probably. Actually, yep, Gotcha's offline.
Yep.
Well, no, because I'm not talking to him.
Null reference exception. Object reference not set to an instance of an object.
Yo,
I don't know what none of this shit means. Just fucking upload it. What the fuck? Literally, it's one thing after another. This is just BS. I just wanted to upload some super simple little thing. is literally working perfectly. Nothing wrong with it. I can't jump, but, you know, whatever.
Excuse me. I made pretty standard pasta.
I was working on some worlds and I had this issue where like I was trying to upload to the game and I kept it just wouldn't build out. Like every time I tried to press like new build, it would just say something. It would get stuck on like preparing upload or something, and it took me like way too long to figure out why that was happening. So I want to make this. Hopefully, it'll make it easier for anybody else who's having some problems. Figure out why their build is not going up into VRChat. So yeah, first thing is if it's not going into if it's not working, the first thing you should try is to uninstall the VRC SDK or like take it out and then re-import it back into the scene. And just Google how to do that, and it's really simple. But let me show you what's happening here though. Let's go to
Did you die? So what you're saying is that you did a raid without me. Like I can't
show
put
build
my
control
feet
panel.
down.
All right, so you open this up, you go to new build, and then it's probably it's gonna give you like that Windows ding or something. And I'm not gonna do it, but if you hit everything, you hit upload, it's just gonna get stuck at preparing upload. If you go to the console, you'll see this error building player because scripts had compiling errors. You also see this because this is what's causing the problem. When I was doing it in my other build, I didn't see this error, so I had to go through and figure out what the problem was. Okay, so what's going on is that there's scripts messing up the build, and these scripts came from assets I downloaded from the asset store. So what you have to do is you have to go into your folders, find any scripts that aren't supposed to be there, and delete them. Now, not every script causes this problem, but if you're having this issue, I would just go in everywhere and figure out where they are. In this case, it was this that I downloaded from the asset store, which is an asset called Real Materials. If I go to Showcase, and there's a folder here that says scripts, and this is what's causing those compiler errors. So I just get rid of them. So if you're having a similar issue where it's like stuck and just not letting you upload, look through the assets that you downloaded and see if there's any scripts in there and just delete it. You're not supposed to be able to use custom scripts in VRChat anyways, so it shouldn't be doing anything with your build. And that's about it. And I guess I just wanted to share that because it took me forever to figure out what was happening, and hopefully this made it easier for somebody. All right, but that's all I got for you people. Bye bye.
Okay. So what he's saying is I need to re-import the SDK, which I don't want to do, but I can do that. All right, real quick, while this does that, I'll be right back. All right. Let's try all this again. Reference means that something is empty, and in this case it's the toggle it normally uses to see if something is not safe for work. I just download a newer or older version of SDK2, re-import it into Unity to overwrite the broken SDK2. I got the newest version of the SDK off the website, had the same problem. This probably won't lead anywhere, but I guess a try can't hurt. Had some weird problems uploading as well. If you click on the little circle next to the field where the script should be and type toggle in the search, you find a script called toggle not safe for work or something familiar. What? If yes, you could just try to add it. If no, maybe re-download and import it into SDK. This is completely missing from the scripting. The SDK on the website was broken the same way. Hush. So I don't know. So literally, the fucking SDK is broken out of the. So what the fuck do I do? See, all these things are in here. So maybe, maybe if I make it not public. It's not gonna work because this is just missing. about no?
Gunsmith Part 4.
fucking SDK is broken. So I can't upload anything.
Oh, fuck this one.
I don't.
Minefield. Left. This is the USEC place. Well, stop doing that. Oh, if you find Wilson cigarettes, please let me know. I need them. Yeah, so if you want to run man, they would be primary. Fucking SB. Oh my god. Oh, this one's something very nice. Can you all cover me for a second? Damn it, never mind, it's not gonna work. I found a silencer for the SB-28. Probably not. It's on the other side. Probably wasn't looking for it. An L-can. Oh, that comes with me. Oh, bonus stock for a KS-23. Did you really just die? I heard the gunshot, but I didn't fucking hear the body fall. Don't go that way. That's a minefield. Yup. Why I'm running towards the freaking base. I didn't know I'm not.
And there's no
Yeah,
mirror.
I didn't hear the gunshot, so. I probably did hear it, I just probably wasn't paying attention.
This literally just tells you fucking that they come broken. exist. Doesn't exist. Fantastic.
That's Sturman firing at someone. It's not firing at us. I bet it did. Keep moving and get your thing back. Because we have to go on the opposite side of this rock. Ready? Okay.
This doesn't exist anymore.
We're probably gonna run to contact, so be careful.
This is literally the best I can do. Oh look,
Wanna get to the-
27 errors. God damn. I mean, deleting one package and putting another one in just probably made everything even worse.
Just aiming at in front of us. Yeah, but people tend to run along the coast as well. Forgot about that cliff there.
I deleted everything that had the food on stuff.
That's why we're in the bushes.
What do you mean it doesn't exist?
Yup. That's why we're running. I'm assuming so until I get shot. Yup. That was subsonic round because it broke the sound barrier. Lock in fucking script routine.
Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna have to start completely over again. Because the VRChat 3 SDK is broken, and I don't have an item that is looking for inside of the game because it's not spawning when the game's being created. Which means that I need to find an SDK that works or wait for them to update it. And I'm not sure what I'm going to have to do for that. So I'm going to have to do some more research, which absolutely sucks because I was really just planning on uploading this today and giving it a shot. But that's not working. So I'm going to just go ahead and call it. Let's go ahead and go here. Thank you, everybody who stopped in today. I know it was not one of my normal streams, but I hope you all enjoyed and had fun nevertheless. If you're here and you're not normally here consistently, make sure to check out my About section where you can find me and a bunch of other places like my Discord, my Twitter, my YouTube, Spotify, and my Pinterest. All places you can find me offline when I'm not streaming. If you don't mind, I think we have enough people for a raid. maybe.
I
2
like
people.
when
Eh,
you just walk
we'll
in.
call it. We'll call it. We'll throw you into some Zimpai. I know he's going right now.
Yeah, let's go.
Who he's playing Yakuza 4. Go ahead and mute him real quick. As I said before, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Until tomorrow or the next